What if the next million-dollar classic is hiding in today's listings? From a 1929 Ford Model A to a stunning '62 Impala SS, these classic cars for sale might surprise you. Let's take a look. Car number 1. 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS, $72,500.
The 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS remains one of the most iconic American classics ever built, and this rust-free Southern example is a true standout. Finished in elegant adobe beige with a matching fawn interior, it features the reliable 327 V8 backed by the smooth 2-speed Powerglide automatic. Modern upgrades, including vintage air, ride-tech digital air suspension, 20-inch torque thrust wheels, Nitto tires, and front disc brakes, make it as enjoyable to drive as it is to admire. Best of all, the seller says the underside is just as clean as the body, a detail every serious collector wants to hear. Priced at Canada's $72,500, this isn't just a classic Impala. It's a beautifully built cruiser that's ready for car shows, weekend drives, and years of unforgettable memories.
Car number 2, 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, CA $27,000. The 1968 Ford Mustang remains one of America's most recognizable pony cars, and this red coupe offers the perfect combination of affordability and V8 excitement. Power comes from a 351 Cleveland V8, fitted with several performance upgrades, sending its power through a 4-speed manual transmission that delivers the engaging driving experience enthusiasts love. Showing just over 69,000 miles on the odometer, this Mustang isn't advertised as a flawless showpiece, and that's reflected in the asking price. The paint could benefit from refinishing, and the floor pans were previously repaired using non-original replacement panels during restoration work completed in the 1990s. The good news is that the seller describes the car as structurally solid, mechanically excellent, and fully functional. The clean black interior remains in very good condition, making this Mustang an ideal weekend driver while leaving room for future cosmetic improvements. For buyers wanting classic Mustang styling without paying premium collector prices, this could be an excellent opportunity. Car number 3, 1963 Ford Fairlane 500 Sport Coupe, CAS $28,900. Rare body styles always attract attention. In this 1963 Ford Fairlane 500 Sport Coupe is certainly no exception. This 2-door hardtop features handsome red paint, matched by an equally striking red interior that remains in outstanding condition. Under the hood sits Ford's reliable 260 cubic inch V8, paired with a 3-speed floor-shift manual transmission, giving the car an authentic early 60s driving experience. The seller proudly notes that the body is completely rust-free, while new weather stripping has been installed throughout the vehicle. Nearly new brakes and classic fender skirts further enhance both reliability and appearance. Because so many Fairlanes were driven hard or modified over the decades, finding an original-style sport coupe in this condition has become increasingly uncommon. Whether displayed at local shows or enjoyed on scenic weekend drives, this Fairlane delivers timeless style with genuine rarity. Car number 4, 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, Canadian dollars $15,500. Big American cruisers don't get much more iconic than the 1964 Ford Galaxy 500. This particular example shows approximately 69,000 original miles and remains remarkably well preserved. Power comes from the original 352 cubic inch V8, providing smooth and effortless highway performance. The original interior has been carefully maintained, while recent upgrades include fresh paint, new wheels and tires, front coil springs, fuel pump, water pump, and a beautifully detailed engine compartment. Even better, the seller states there is no rust anywhere on the vehicle, a statement that immediately increases its appeal among collectors. With only about 2,000 miles driven since receiving its Ontario safety inspection, this Galaxy is presented as a true turnkey classic that's ready to start, drive, and enjoy immediately. Considering its condition and significant recent price reduction, this full-size Ford could represent one of the better values in today's classic car market.
Car number 5, 1967 Chevrolet Malibu, CA $35,000. Rounding out today's lineup is a clean and honest 1967 Chevrolet Malibu that's ready for its next owner. Originally from Saskatchewan, this Malibu is powered by Chevrolet's dependable 327 cubic inch V8 backed by an automatic transmission, creating a comfortable combination for relaxed cruising or weekend car shows. The seller reports that the car runs well and has recently received a full set of new tires. While it could benefit from a little tender, loving care in a few areas, the overall presentation remains attractive, featuring classic blue paint paired with a black interior. The owner is downsizing a personal collection, offering enthusiasts the opportunity to purchase a well-maintained Chevrolet A-body that's becoming increasingly sought after as muscle car values continue to climb. Whether you're looking for an enjoyable driver, a local show car, or a solid foundation for future upgrades, this Malibu offers classic American V8 charm with plenty of potential.
Car number 6, 1969 Chevrolet Impala Sedan, $30,000. The full-size Chevrolet Impala has always represented comfortable American cruising, and this 1969 sedan continues that tradition with timeless style and effortless road presence. Finished in an elegant gold exterior, this Impala shows approximately 90,000 kilometers and comes certified, giving prospective buyers added confidence. While the listing is brief, sometimes that's all it takes when the car speaks for itself. The 1969 model year introduced a cleaner, more muscular body design that perfectly reflected the changing tastes of late 60s America. Longer, wider, and more refined than many of its competitors, the Impala became one of Chevrolet's most successful full-size cars. Whether you're looking for a reliable weekend cruiser, a comfortable family classic, or a collectible American sedan that still turns heads at local events, this certified Impala offers plenty of vintage appeal. Its understated gold finish gives it an elegant personality that's becoming increasingly rare in today's collector car market.
Car number 7, 1969 Chevrolet C10 Short Box, CAD $42,000. Classic pickup trucks continue to soar in popularity, and this fully restored 1969 Chevrolet C10 Short Box is an excellent example of why. Finished in a beautiful blue exterior over a black interior, this truck has undergone an extensive restoration and now features a freshly rebuilt 400 cubic inch small block V8 paired with a legendary Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. That combination delivers plenty of classic V8 sound, along with the engaging driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate. Modern upgrades include power steering, power disc brakes, and an upgraded sound system, making the truck both comfortable and enjoyable to drive. The seller is also including a complete set of Chevrolet rally wheels, allowing the next owner to customize the truck's appearance depending on personal preference. With only around 1,000 kilometers since restoration, this C10 represents an outstanding opportunity to own one of the hottest segments in today's classic vehicle market.
Car number 8, 1929 Ford Model A Coupe, $7,800. Owning a Ford Model A is like stepping directly into the earliest chapters of American automotive history. This 1929 Coupe remains a true driver's car, running and driving well while offering an authentic vintage experience that's difficult to find at this price point. Although it isn't advertised as a concourse-quality show vehicle, the seller describes it as an ideal candidate for local parades, weekend cruises, or simply enjoying a slower pace of driving. A practical 12-volt electrical conversion has already been completed, improving starting reliability while preserving much of the car's original character. Nearly a century after it first rolled off the assembly line, the Model A continues to remind enthusiasts where America's love affair with the automobile truly began. For anyone wanting an affordable gateway into pre-war collector cars, this Ford deserves a serious look.
Car number 9, 1938 Ford two-door sedan, $15,500. Before muscle cars dominated American roads, the Flathead Ford was already building its own legendary reputation.
This beautifully preserved 1938 Ford two-door sedan is powered by the famous Flathead V8, equipped with dual carburetors, giving the car improved performance while maintaining its unmistakable vintage personality. The seller reports that it runs and drives well, with both the interior and exterior remaining in very good overall condition. Buyers have the option of purchasing the car with either its standard wheels or upgrading to the chrome wheel package for an additional cost. The graceful pre-war body styling, rounded fenders, and distinctive front grille remind us why late 1930s Ford automobiles remained favorites among traditional hot rodders and collectors alike. For enthusiasts who appreciate American automotive history before World War II, this Ford offers classic styling that's impossible to duplicate.
Car number 10, 1964 AMC Rambler Classic 660, price upon offer. Sometimes the most interesting classics aren't the ones everyone is chasing. The 1964 AMC Rambler Classic 660 represents an era when American motors built dependable family cars that quietly earned a loyal following. This green-on-green example runs and drives well thanks to several recent mechanical improvements, including a new mechanical fuel pump, fresh tune-up, rebuilt brake booster, and a new master cylinder. The seller openly acknowledges that the car has a small rust area in the rear, along with a few minor accessories that no longer function, but mechanically it remains a dependable driver that's ready to enjoy. Instead of assigning a fixed asking price, the owner is inviting reasonable offers from buyers who recognize the value of preserving a unique piece of American automotive history. For collectors who enjoy owning something different from the typical Chevrolet, Ford, or Mopar, this Rambler offers distinctive character and plenty of nostalgic charm at what could become an excellent value.
So which one would you actually park in your garage? The iconic Model A, the beautiful Impala SS, or the restored C10 pickup? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoy discovering real classic cars for sale every week, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll be back with another lineup of amazing American classics in the next video.